This conference will now be
Okay.
recorded.
Okay, sir.
And Kashif was so smart, didn't even remind me, sir, you haven't started the recording. Last time he reminded me.
Sorry,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, no problem. So, am I clear till here? Now you will guys come practice by Monday, right?
Yes, sir. Definitely, sir.
Okay, sir.
Now you both got the lesson, or still I can continue, and right now I'm recording also, so you both will get the recording.
Uh,
What, Srinidhi?
um,
Will it be good?
sir,
Motivation,
don't
right?
embarrass anymore, sir.
Yes, sir.
Srinidhi, you want motivation? You want more motivation for
Yes.
practice?
No, sir.
Did you say he's a very quiet guy. Seem like Srinidhi don't talk much. So okay, no issue. So only right now Srinidhi was up. So what was the score for you? Srinidhi 1, Kashif 0.
No, sir.
Okay.
I asked. I answered the half of question.
Yes, sir.
This is Srinidhi and this is Kashif. And accidentally Srinidhi won, or he practiced. I don't know, but he won.
No, sir.
Maybe he has
Otherwise,
a
you
laptop
both
in
always.
front of him,
Yes,
but
yes,
like last time.
Yeah, so both of you, Srinidhi will always agree with you. If Kashif answers something, Srinidhi, yes, sir, that is right. Directly. What a
That is
strong
smart.
bonding.
Sir,
So,
communication is a problem, sir. That's why, sir. I
communication
am
is the
from born to
problem.
Kannada medium, sir. No, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so,
Where
but
are you from,
there's a common
Srinidhi?
word English, right? Huh?
I am
I'm
from,
sorry,
sir,
sir. Where?
Karnataka, Belgavi.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah, what you're
Karnataka.
saying?
Okay,
Karnataka, yeah, is from Karnataka.
okay, sir.
It's okay,
Sir,
Srinidhi.
you
See,
are also based in Bangalore, right?
yes, yes.
Okay.
Srinidhi, I want to tell you one thing. Don't get lag behind because of your communication, okay? Because after this you are going to work somewhere, and and there you don't communicate with other. If you don't communicate, how you make a connection with there, okay? You should make a connection with everyone,
Yes,
like being a social. See, in office
yes,
only
sir.
you
I am
won't
from.
get only Karnataka, right? You will get some North Indians also.
Yes.
North Indians are good friend also, bro.
Sir, you are North Indian?
Yeah.
So you do speak Hindi, right? So till the 1 week, Srinidhi won't be there, sir. Please teach me in Hindi, sir.
No, I can't. Because same video will go to Srinidhi, okay? Because he will practice. When he will
Hello?
not be there,
Hello, same video.
yeah,
Same video
yeah,
will
same
go to
video
whom,
will
sir?
be forwarded to him, Srinidhi.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay,
So
sir.
yeah, he has to study, right? I cannot do that. And that day also I told you, my classes are strictly in English, no Hindi, okay?
Mm, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Because that will be unfair. Then for Srinidhi, I have to learn Kannada, then I'll tell him in
No, no.
Kannada, then he'll be like, okay.
So
What Srinidhi?
you don't speak Kannada, sir.
Yes.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಣ್ಣ?
ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
Okay, now he started speaking. Great, 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 great. Okay. So that's all, guys. See, this is why I was not starting if else loop. This is why I was not starting loops. Okay. You just want to finish the class. I want you to learn each and everything in my class. Okay. I just want you to don't want you to pile things up. Okay. If you pile it up, it will be a mountain for you only. How you're going to climb it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So don't pile things up. Hear it and study with me, like practice with me and stay with me. Okay. Cool.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So that's all for today. I think I don't have to manage it more. So like I'm ending session a bit early here today. So
Okay,
guys,
sir.
you can do a weekend thing and you can practice, and if Srinidhi has time, so he can do also. So from today or whenever you got the time, just go in the class, okay? And you can see here,
Okay, sir.
these basics are not very tough, okay? These basics are like common basics. As you can see here,
Yes,
these
sir.
basics are not that hard. Okay, see, only 5 lines of code are there. You just have to go and revise it.
Yes, sir.
Nothing much I'm asking
Yes,
you,
sir.
okay?
Sir, I have
And
an
this revision,
query, sir.
whatever. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, while being in the weekend, is there any means to contact you directly as apart from that email?
I gave you that mail, right?
That email comes directly to you, sir.
Yes, yes. When you mention my name
Okay.
and the subject, it will directly come to me, okay? That's why I told you.
Okay.
And for Srinidhi also,
Okay.
Srinidhi, I told you, right? That in the
Yes, sir.
subject, you have to write my name, Sunil, and the class Python. And if it will be like more convenient, write 7:30, like your batch timing. It will directly be forwarded to me, okay? So
I'll
I'll
put
check it
that in the
personally.
subject.
Yeah,
Okay,
on
sir.
the subject. And whatever the
On
query,
the
you can
subject.
put in the content, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
In the subject,
Okay,
you
sir.
have to write it compulsory. I will contact you within, like, you will get the response surely by the same day. Okay, I check it every
Okay,
day
sir. Okay,
because
sir.
I have
Okay,
more
sir.
batches, so I handle all those also.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
so you can contact
Okay,
me
sir.
in the weekends and I'll answer.
Hmm.
Okay, and Friday,
Okay,
I
sir.
think
Okay,
there
sir.
will be like it's our holiday too, so I think that day there will be some delay. Otherwise, there won't be any delay. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, sir.
And Srinidhi, by in 5 minutes, I am sharing you in your drive. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Go in your Google Drive, the mail you shared me. Okay. And there's a column called shared with me.
So can I leave,
Yes, sir.
sir?
Yeah, you can leave.